Hello and welcome to this lesson about weekdays in Afrikaans. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to do the following in Afrikaans. Name the days of the week. In this lesson, we will revise colors. You can find the link to the color lesson in the description below. Weekdays, weekdays. When I think of a day in the week, a certain color comes to mind for each day. For example, Sunday is blue, Monday is brown, Tuesday is pink, and so on. Do you also have a color for each day of the week? If so, let me know in the comments. Let's have a look at the days. Sondag, Sondag. Sunday, Maandag, Maandag, Monday, Dinsdag, Dinsdag, Tuesday, Woensdag, Woensdag, Wednesday, Donderdag, Donderdag, Thursday, Vrydag, Vrydag, Friday, Saterdag, Saterdag, Saturday. Aktiwiteit, activity. Watter kleur stel elke dag voor? Watter kleur stel elke dag voor? What color does each day represent? Vrydag, Maandag, Donderdag, Sondag, Dinsdag, Woensdag, Saterdag. Let's have a look at your answers. Vrydag stel silver voor. Friday represents silver. Maandag stel bruin voor. Donderdag groen. Sondag blauw. Dinsdag pink. Woensdag paars. Saterdag wit. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next lesson.